So there was a girl. Hello.
Yeah, yeah,
Yeah.
listening.
So there was a girl from a small city, and he comes from village to to his nearby city to just start his studies, higher studies,
Hmm.
and he joined the one coaching and the admission in college. So after some day, when he went to the physics coaching, there was a boy whose name is Ritesh. Ritesh was very funny, and he also good in physics. So and this the girl name is Anjali actually. So she uh, she used to go what physics coaching and comes home. So after some day passed. After some day, he start liking Ritesh, and Ritesh also uh, likes Anjali. But uh, after say Ritesh actually see Anjali, he promised Anjali that he will propose, he will give to the Anjali on 24th February, on Valentine Day.
14.
So yeah, 14th February. So so they decided a place that just near the bank of a sea. So Anjali who start choosing his dress, a special dress, looks nice, and went to the exact location. But but it's uh, it's now too long. But Ritesh did not come at that place, so she become very sad and weeping, and just looking for Ritesh and waiting for Ritesh, but he didn't come.
Sounds like a Bollywood story.
Yeah. Is it good?
Hmm.
Okay.
It's very good. Whatever we have done earlier, we have not explained that much story. So it was very nice attempt.
Uh,
Okay, Prakash, do you want to go?
Okay. So I have to make a story, or I just
Whatever comes into mind, you can speak.
okay. So I can see in this picture a girl is sitting in front of a seashore or a lake. I think. I think it's sea. So he is enjoying. She is enjoying her movement, and she is. She wants to spend some time with her. So he comes alone here and sitting and enjoying the nature and the cold wind which is coming towards her. And I think the wind is so fast, so she is turning his head towards the opposite side of wind. And yeah, I think she is enjoying his time. That's all.
Hmm. Wow, nice.
Okay.
Okay, my turn.
Okay.
It's, I think it's a lake. It's a beautiful, clean lake with a mountain that are very tough and edgy. Looks like want to feel like just want to jump from there and enjoy in the water. The girl looks with the glasses and with hair a model also. Maybe she's posing for a shoot. The background is very good and she is very solitude and just spending some time with herself. Maybe going with the story of Saurabh. Maybe some heartbreak is going on.
Yeah.
Yeah, and that only. Her hair is also by wind is. She was looking like a what slow motion, going in slow motion, like
Yeah.
in Bollywood movie. Yeah, that
So
only.
yeah. So we should give us another picture. We will start.
Yeah.
Story.
Can you see it?
Mm,
Yes.
yeah, yeah,
Hmm.
yeah.
Yeah. Do you want to
So
go?
yeah. Okay. So there was one village. The people used to live there very peacefully. So
Hmm. You are very deep, man. You can create
the
anything with the
village is
story.
surrounded by the beautiful natures.
Hmm.
Hello,
Yeah, yeah. I can listen. Go on.
hello,
Yeah, go on, go on.
hello, hello.
Yeah, you are audible. Saurabh, are you there?
Hello.
Yeah, are you there?
Yeah, yeah, I'm here.
So,
Am I audible to
go
you?
on. You are audible.
So I was telling that there was a village
Hmm.
uh, which was surrounded by the beautiful natures, and the people used to live there very peacefully.
Hmm.
And hello,
Yeah, continue.
people used to live there very peacefully. The children used to go to the school. The city is well designed, and everything is just modern. Means it is not less than any town. Means the infrastructure of the village was very nice. But one day, in middle of the day, some earthquake come in that village, and the earthquake was so strong that it just it disturbed all the buildings of that village, and a lot of people died in that village. So pray the god, and but after some day there is some all this type of activities, god activities are started coming in that village. So after this earthquake, means after 2 3 months, there uh, another disaster come, like heavy rain. So the people started uh, suffering from this different disease, because when heavy rains come, it also brings some different type of viruses. So various types of diseases are started growing in that village. So that's why the people went to the doctors, but this medicines are not using properly. These medicines are not acting and affecting on the disease, because it's a new disease. So people decided to migrate from the village. So all the people means children, uh, mother, father, grandmother, everyone started to migrate from that village, and they are going. from that village to the started migrating from that village to the nearby city. So they have no routes, so they choose the one road, main road, highway. um, they think from which uh, they can uh, they can reach to the main city. So they start walking on that main city, and after covering long distance, they went to the main city, and uh, they started seeing the job for their livelihood. So after means because they have no money to save their lives, and spend the time, spend their day or night on anywhere. So they used to sleep on the road, and they woke up in the any time, means they used to do the work in any time just for get some money. So after some time, means when they get the job, after some time, they when they collect the enough money, when they collect the enough money, so they live peacefully in city. And after some year back, they come to his own village and reconstruct the buildings, and everything is become as same as the last go. So now the village is again becomes beautiful, and everything is right now.
Hmm. Yeah, Saurabh, at
Yeah.
next time keep the story a lot shorter, because this time you went like in a flow and your story went on. So keep it
Yeah, yeah.
very short, because then if everybody keeps it this like that, but this will take long time to finish.
Okay, okay, bro.
So the story was nice.
Yeah, okay. Thank
They the earthquake came and they have to leave their village, and after that they earn their money, livelihood, and then came back to their village again.
you. Yeah.
Yeah, Prakash.
Because they loves their no. There's one quote, no, no
Hmm.
land like homeland.
Mm-hmm.
So when they went to the city, they can't enjoy the uh, as much as they can enjoy in village. So return back. Actually, if we start saying stories by seeing the picture, the
Mm-hmm.
next line is coming in our mind step. So that's
Mm-hmm.
why it's take too long. Okay, bro.
Mm-hmm.
Sorry for that.
Yeah, nine, 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 no problem.
Okay.
Okay, Prakash,
Okay.
go on.
Uh, start. Okay. Actually, this is a silhouette type of photograph in which it is a type of photography in which we try to show the characters only the outline or shadow, so the
Mm-hmm.
internal structure is not so clear.
Mm-hmm.
And I am saying that it is a view of sunset and some city, and many peoples are, I think they are returning from their job to home because it's evening time. And I also noticed one thing, like every people is going from left to right, but only one people person is going from right to left.
Mm-hmm.
So this also symbolizes, you know, he is thinking out of the box, or he is unique in the crowd because everyone is going to from left. He is going in opposite direction. So it also shows that he is wanting something else, or he is in his own way. And yeah, it's also showing the transition of the day to the night. And in this phase, everyone is coming back to their home, and I think this person is going to do something or else. So I, yeah, this is my thought.
Hmm. Yeah, if I was to describe the picture, apart from the person who is walking the other side, it looks like a Dandi march who is a person is leading and other crowd is following, like Mahatma Gandhi and everybody is following. And if other perspective would be the person who are following a path that is set by earlier ancestors, that they are following what their parents are following or grandfathers, that they think that this is the good part, but the other person is trying to find his own path, seeing that what is the other side. So yeah, he's experimenting, and we can see in this there is a tall person, a person with a bag, a guitar, people with a group. So it depicts a life journey that we will have a different phases of our life. We will be single, with a partner, with the friends of group, with our family, with our children. So it depicts different phases of life also. The school life, the college life, the corporate life, the business, the startup life. So yeah, that only. And we can see also lamp post, and the background is very different color. We can't see that much in real life. I have not seen with that contrast of color, but this looks very nice. Yeah, that only.
Yeah, that.
Okay. Hmm. Bhuma, are you there? Pasaya Bhuma. Sorry if I'm pronouncing that wrong.
Yeah, Uma, Puma.
Bhuma. Are you there? Maybe some network issue. Next picture. Loading. Okay. Okay. Wow.
What is this? Okay, now I
I got.
understood.
I got. I got this.
Yeah, actually, this is upside down picture.
Ah, upside down. Oh, I have very good line for this. So yeah,
Okay, then you start first.
I start. Saurabh, do you want? I can start, but if you want, if you guys want to say something, you can.
Actually, I didn't understand what is it.
Okay, I tell you. This is a sand mountain. The picture is flip side. If you rotate your screen, you will see there is a sand and his head stand. He is standing on his hands. And if you look,
Okay.
yeah, can you hear me? Am I audible?
Yeah, yeah,
So yeah,
yeah.
do you understand what I was saying?
No, no, no. Please repeat again.
Arey, rotate your phone.
Yeah,
Do you understand what is happening?
yeah. I rotate it.
To the top, just flip the phone to the what we call top to bottom, bottom to top.
Yeah, yeah. I have rotated it.
So can you see there is a sand mountain and the person is headstand.
Yeah,
He's
yeah. I can see now. Okay.
so this is like in life also. We as we are
I
seeing
can.
this, it looks like a person is holding a mountain of responsibilities or something baggage or something. If we just, it is like a perspective only. If we change our perspective from another point of view, we will see that we are the person who are taking that so much of it that is unnecessary or maybe not priority of ours. But it's a beautiful picture. There is sand mountains, behind that there is mountains, background is very foggy type, the person headstand is very strong, looks like that. And there is
Yeah,
the front side mountain has very much patches on that. It's very clean, man. Want to drive some places like that. That only.
yeah, yeah.
Hmm. Yeah, next, Saurabh.
Uh, uh,
How will you make story on this?
actually, actually, I didn't get. We have to make a story, or we can tell anything.
Anything you can tell, anything, whatever, any story, what is going in background, whatever comes into your mind after watching, after seeing the picture, you can explain it. Go wild on your imagination. Train your brain.
So there was a man who has the
Hmm.
capacity to fly.
Okay.
Uh, so he just so in his village there was a desert. So he wants to just he wants to uh, hold all this desert and shift it to the another where actually the desert is symbol of actually there was a village, and there was a village in desert. So there was no water, and this desert disturbed the people very lot. Means any time the sand wind start coming in the houses. So there was a one man who has the capacity, who has the uh, power to do anything. So he uh, he become very sad from that, and he warning the desert that you run away from this place, otherwise I will throw you on anywhere. So
Hmm.
so one day, but desert was also very you can say bad guy. He does not want to leave the place. So that man, the man have also the power of fly. So uh, he what you can say. So he carry the whole desert and start flying in the air. Start flying in the air. Uh, mm, and he throw in the another place, another village. But after some day, other the other villagers also disturbed by this desert, and this actually this desert shift to the another village. So actually, so one day, the man of that village where the desert has shifted uh, things, how we can how we can face this problem. Means there is a lot of sand. All land is not fertile. The, so the villagers of that of the villagers of that village started growing crops. The first time the crop can't grow because it was the desert and it was not fertile. So uh, after doing lots of work or lots of hard work, the desert converted into the fertile land. So the people started planting trees all around the desert. So after some day, this desert converted to the soil, and people start cultivating the crops. So again, that village become beautiful, and people start enjoying that village. So actually, desert is the symbol of problems. The first man uh, uh, take this problem in another way, and because of they have the power, they shift it to the another place. But the peoples of another village have no actual power, means and this power symbolized to the anything, means money. If someone is rich, they have the money to whatever he wants. But for a poor people, there is a one only, that is hard work. Means he can also achieve everything by the hard work. So the peoples of other village, the villagers of other village, they have only power that is hard work. So they use their power and make the village, deserts village, into the beautiful village. And the another person has the power, god gifted power, so he use and is shifted to the another way. So it's so we uh, the moral of the story is everyone have the power. God had gifted God had gifted everyone to the some special power. So uh, we should not think that we should have that power that other should that other have. So that's fine.
Yeah, so your moral is you have your special gift, so don't compare yourself to others that
Yeah,
they have this or that.
yeah.
Hmm. Good, nice.
Okay, bro.
Okay, Prakash.
Okay. This picture symbolizes that like how our perspective matters. If
Hmm.
we change our perspective, everything will look changed. In this picture also, uh, actually, if we flip this picture, we can see, uh, not flip, if we rotate this picture, we can see a very huge sand dune, uh, and a person is like standing upside down on that sand dune. So
Hmm.
like he is upside down. So he is looking to the world also become upside down.
Hmm.
So it this is giving her his perspective about the world, and yeah, it also depicts the personality of that person, because this place is very, I think, very remote places, and very deserted places. So he wants to explore beyond his limits, and he wants to go to every extent. And we can also see footsteps on this edge of this sand dune.
Hmm.
So he had left his footsteps and also make a path for others to follow, because I think he is the only person to reach there, and he had make a path for the world to experience that thing. So he is an explorer, and yeah, that's all.
Yeah, great. It's like looking at a problem from different perspective. That how can we solve that problem?
Yeah.
Okay, next picture. It's going good. Saurabh
Yeah,
is
it
going. Oh
was
my
very
god.
okay.
This is unique.
Yeah, actually, this is quite complex.
Yeah, in my mind I thought, wow, where
He's
lot
weird.
of things are happening in this. Lot
Yeah,
of things. Okay, before us, I want to uh, see that how Saurabh will explain this.
yeah.
Yeah, it's too difficult, bro.
Okay, but you have to explain, but in short, okay?
Yeah,
Hmm. Go.
yeah. A boy, a person maybe looks like a boy, but don't judge. He's a boy. His mental condition is boy or girl. Means in this picture, boy look like what if a boy converted and looks himself as a girl. Means this picture showing that what are the means this boy have the long hairs like a girl, and also have the some cloths in the around their necks which the lady used to wear during his marriage, and also have the some flowers in his hand, which means which means they have the some cloths in their neck which represent the marriage, and he has the some flowers which represent means he's giving gift from the others on the occasion of marriage. But inside the omen is what omen face in his after marriage or during marriage, uh, what that to face in our society is totally cleared by the eyes of this man. Means uh, if you see in our areas, the women have to do lot of works in when they come when they comes to uh, means their husband house. They also they have to happy, they have to keep happy to the husbands, they have to keep happy to the other family members of the husband. So and actually they are at that time they need the support of others, because they left their homes which where he used to spend their whole means half part of half part of his life. But at that time the people used to the lot of people expect to do expect the lot of things from that girl. Means whether he can make a good food or not, whether he looks good or not. So all these things and all he face all these things by looking happy. They show their happiness by means all these things means they have some flowers. Means he received the gifts from other very happily. They used to wear the clothes very happily, but but inside he's not happy. So that's a uh, so when a boy start thinking as a ladies, he will just converted in this picture.
Hmm.
Yeah.
Okay, nice. Prakash?
Okay, bro.
Oh, okay, now I'm going to describe this. Yeah, I think this is describing uh, the situation with the black peoples, like racism,
Hmm.
and yeah, this picture tells us that how they are ill treated, because we can see on her face there are many scars, like somebody has eaten him, or the tears from eyes, like it's dark, वो कहते हैं ना खून के आंसू, वैसा कुछ.
Hmm.
uh, I think, and these peoples are like and they have, flowers in his hand, so like uh, he is wants to become friends. Other peoples are discriminating his, like, and you know the dress on his neck, this symbolizes that are looking at him like he's a, alien type of thing. Like, this dress is used, I think it is used to make him like different from others, because no one wear dress like this, because it's I think a skirt kind of thing, but he is wearing in neck. So it is for showing him different from other people. And yeah,
Hmm.
yeah, that's all.
Yeah, if I have to describe this picture, the picture is maybe depicting from my perspective, I think society pressure, the things that we have to accomplish, or the beauty, the contrast it is showing. So you have to be happy, you have to look good, like maybe it is as Saurabh said, maybe he's depicting the girl's side or female side, that they need to be simple, they know without any emotions, you happy all the time. So we can see in there is, as Prakash also said, bloody eyes. So the in within he's depicting that he's crying, he's going through a lot, and the expectation that we have to look good, we have to uh, do good. So like that only. And then there is a black and white that shows a simple life. If this wouldn't happen, the flowers, the ethnic thing he's wearing, he would be a simple guy, but he tried something new, something of his own. So he's experimenting on that. So yeah, that only.
Yeah, that's good, bro.
Mm. Thank you. Let's see what's the next picture. Oh ho ho ho. Oh ho.
What's his doing?
You need to do it.
Picture is not clear, bro. Some
Clear ka? No, no, this is only the picture. There is no nothing more than that. Yeah,
whether
this
is
one.
boy or girl.
What do you think?
Maybe I can't judge because there is
Hmm.
no any such thing.
But most probably it is girl only.
Yeah, most probably.
Hmm. Okay, go on the story. I think you in this you can create a good story on this material.
No, I will not create. Uh, I will not. I am not going to create a story. I think Chandra Prakash should.
Yeah.
Everybody got awkward on this.
Yeah,
No.
I think we should change it.
Okay.
No, no, let's try. If we don't get anything, then we change. Let's try.
I think this is picture of some party because they are
Yeah.
gatherings and I think it's
Hmm.
Christmas party or something because there
Hmm.
is some decorative item like we use in Christmas. Not we
Hmm.
use, they use. Yeah.
In Christmas party, it is used.
Yeah. Yeah. And yeah, I think that she is like a drunk or something because
Hmm.
she is sitting in the chair like that, that she is conscious. And yeah, I think she is confident. So she is giving like this pose. She is confident about his body and yeah, and
Hmm.
yeah, that's all. And short explanation.
Yeah, if I don't have that much also to explain, maybe it is a Christmas party. She got drunk, and she's maybe got unconscious and thing. She's just sleeping. Maybe some person is getting for fun. He's clicking the picture.
I think she is sitting on a sofa kind of thing,
Yeah,
and
sofa kind of thing.
yeah, someone is sitting in you know beside him, beside, and he is
Hmm.
like sleeping on his shoulders.
Hmm.
I think.
But this is like a open situation. Anybody can take advantage of her.
Yeah.
Yeah, but I was researching on this, that why girls want to show their cleavage or want to wear small skirts like that. Because if I had the option, I would be like, relax, dude, be comfortable. Don't what this is too much. Malab, not like looking people, but for wearing also comfort. It matters. So I researched, and it was found that they do it for the attention they get, and it looks younger. A person who do it for attention, and they look younger in this, as
Yeah,
compared if they had didn't did this.
Yeah,
So yeah,
I think taller. They look taller.
taller also, and her dress is also like sparkling thing. It's
Yeah.
very unusual, to be honest.
Yeah.
Oh my god. Is it her dress, or someone has or keep it the what we call cloth on her?
No, no, no.
Maybe it would
It
be.
is it is a, a
It
dress.
is a dress.
Yeah, it is.
But
On the arm you can see. Yeah, it is a dress. Yeah, there are balloons also of different color, and one is a small black also. The
yeah,
heels are very different. It is like almost you are not wearing anything.
yeah, transparent, I think.
Yeah. Hey, how do you wear? Yeah, by looking it, I am. Oh my God, this is very difficult.
Yeah, yeah. Actually, this picture described that. Uh, in this modern period, the ladies or all the girls, all I can't say all the girls. There's a lot of girls wear this dress, and they are doing all these things for just to attract, just to attract somebody. Means
Hmm.
the all this society on uh, effect on the girls, that what they actually people say, uh, what they have to wear, it's his choice. But suppose
But
we are
it is
boy
on
also.
Instagram also, na. This type of stuff is there.
We boy also, we always used to wear the clothes which society wants us to wear. Means we used to wear the modern jeans, uh, we used to wear the modern t-shirt. Actually, we want to give the happiness to the other people. We does not want to take the happiness. Means we does not want the comfort for ourselves. We just want to give the happiness to the other people. Means we wear the modern jeans just to uh, make happy to the other people. Means other people will say, oh wow man, you are looking so nice. So this picture also telling us that and everyone is just categorized or identified by his dress, or what means there's no face in this picture.
Hmm.
So people used to identify the girls or attracted by the girls. Somebody
Hmm.
says is so sexy, so he
Hmm.
maybe
Hmm.
get attracted by. And somebody say, oh, that lady is not good lady because they have wear the short dress.
Hmm.
Means
Hmm.
so this picture tells that telling that everyone is categorized by the race and his position in this modern race and his posture by the in this modern world. Means there is no face in this picture, but we can, a lot of people will expect different things. One can say
Hmm.
this lady is not good, his character is good, his character is bad because she had weird very short dress. But somebody, if you go to the modern society, they will say, oh, this is very hi-fi girl. Means
Hmm.
they have nice, what you, high heels, they have nice dress. So different people, and both of them don't know about this girl because there is
Hmm. Hmm.
no any face. So in this society, the different people have different perspective about another people by
Hmm.
seeing their dress and their postures all.
A very nice thought. You went on like a nice, nice perspective, and it also shows now the social. We are social animal. We want to impress others, the people
Yeah,
around us.
yeah,
So we
yeah,
want them to like us.
yeah, yeah.
So,
That's I was telling. That
hmm,
different people have different
hmm,
perspectives.
yeah,
Yeah,
And I also think that if she wants to, keep her identity secret, so the face is not showing here.
yeah.
hmm,
She is doing something, or she is doing party or going somewhere, and but she doesn't want to reveal his identity.
Okay,
it
Ronald.
Hmm.
give us give us some criteria that we can make only funny story and we can make uh, criminal
It
story.
depends on you. If you want to make anything funny, you can. So it's not like anything. Like okay, next picture you have to create something on funny. Okay, for Saurabh. Okay.
Okay, not for me. I have photos on my mind.
Uh, but
So
on the face thing, it happens on social media also, na. People comment trolling or hate, so you can't what we call track them. So they will type bad for anything without knowing what other person is going through, what has he
yeah,
overcome
yeah,
his
yeah, yeah,
challenges. So yeah,
yeah.
maybe by seeing picture we cannot what is going on, what is. So by just looking picture we can't understand what's going on. So we
Yes,
can't comment on that.
yes.
Yeah. Okay, let's see on what Saurabh will make it funny. Okay, on this, how will you make funny on this? Hmm?
What is this?
What is this, bro?
Oh, okay.
It's some tide,
Yeah, wave or tide.
wave or
Wave, yeah.
tide. Uh, I'm not going to make any funny story. I am not going to make. But uh, yeah, yeah. So can I start?
Yeah, you can.
I think
No,
it's the
this is
bank
not
of
it.
some. It is the picture of some coastal areas. Means there is a sea, and when the tides come uh, near the coast, uh, it become white, or because the tide start make sound when it comes to the near and comes near the ground. So it's a picture of that. So this picture uh, can give us uh, can give us uh, idea. This picture can tell us a story that when there is a deep, there is no sound. Means in deep area of the sea, there is no sound. There is not high tides, and there is no tides of there is no tide with sound. But when it comes to the near coastal areas, it start making sound and it changes the colors. The things happen with the people when they have the deep knowledge about anything, and when they have the deep knowledge, and then they become quiet, and they only used to speak at the particular moment, and they become same for the long time. But the people who have no deep knowledge, and he have no deep experience, uh, they start making sound. They sounds more. There's a one, I think there's a one, what you can say, there's a one sentence that uh, empathy something sounds more kuch something. So this picture also related to that. So the same thing when comes to the uh, uh, non-deeped area, it's change color also. Means the people those that have no deep knowledge, they also change their color. Change their color means what? They also change their views, ideas, everything. And they sounds more. Means they always they have to prove. Means you are changing your position, changing your views, changing your ideology. You have to speak more to prove that you are right. So this picture, I think, related to this types of people. Uh,
Hmm.
you think is not too good?
No, no, it's fine.
Okay, bro.
Yeah. If I have to explain this picture, it's maybe if you can see this, there are three phases. One, there is a deep water. One,
Yeah,
it look like avalanche or some waves that is a beautiful color. And after that, there is a less water. It looks like in life also you have to, if something you see that you are in deep water, you are in deep trouble or something, if you just go just once, if you have to overcome, you have to in at beginning you have to face pain or suffering, but after that if you overcome this, there is life that will you have overcome on this level of success. So yeah, that also depicts like, and the person maybe this, wow, there is deep water. If I'm not sure you can see this, but the middle part, it's looking very gorgeous, like some snow type stuff. There is a very cool looking structure. Yeah, that only, not more than that. Yeah, Prakash.
Okay. Yeah, this is a sea wave and it is looking so beautiful, artistic. I think it is like not sunset but evening time of kind of thing or morning because we can see long shadows of those white waves
Hmm.
and yeah, the water is so clear and it looks green or green in color and
Greenish, yeah.
yeah, it shows the artistic way of nature. We can find if we go towards nature we can find its beauty and its beauty is like very hard to create by human. It's only
Hmm.
created by nature. So yeah,
Yeah.
this is very beautiful. Yeah, that's
Yeah, and it is created by nature only.
yeah.
Humans are trying, but they are also destroying it. Now is the time with the climate change and everything.
Yes. Mm, the pictures getting more complex.
Yeah, it looks like a dress maybe.
Yeah.
Walking on a. Wow, the surface is very. She's barefoot.
Yeah, I see is in a house or something like floor is of marble.
It is marble. I don't think it is marble. I think it is cracks on a mountain maybe. She's walking. It is very realistic, man. How can you depict this like on marble?
It could be marble because we can see these patterns on marble also.
Yeah, yeah, it could be, yeah. And now you have told, I'm a bit confused.
Because she is barefoot and she is
Yeah,
wearing
yeah.
a
On
jacket.
yeah,
So,
on real it is her legs would hurt.
yeah.
yeah.
Okay, okay. Storytelling. Saurabh, let's go.
Anything or I have to create a story.
Yeah.
Anything, whatever comes into your mind, say it.
So I don't know whether is girl or
Weather
boy.
क्या यार most probably it is girl only क्या. What, you have a problem in life, man?
He don't want to judge that people.
Yeah, democratic.
Yeah, equality.
Yeah. Say it out. Make it simple. Don't make it so complicated. Yeah. One option is, do I change picture or do you want to go with this?
I want to say something.
Yeah.
Anything.
Speak. Speak. Speak.
I think she's a girl running on a
Hmm.
floor with marble, beautiful marble. And I think she queen kind of thing, princess kind of thing. Marble looks so costly, and her dress is also like a princess or something. And I can also see a tattoo on her leg.
Hmm.
And and what else?
It is written girl and after ing.
Yeah, girling. Means
Girling. Yeah. Oh, oh.
like she is proud to be a girl.
Of course. Yeah.
Yeah, and she is like it also shows freedom. She's running and her cloth is flying or waving.
Hmm.
And
Yeah. It's beautiful.
yes,
The
like
marble is looking costly. Or if you see under feet some red, the leg is also like
red
something is
kind.
going on. Yeah.
Hello, am I audible?
Yes, you
Yeah,
are audible.
So I have told you, na, this picture showing that girl wearing the good clothes like a queen, but
Hmm.
even after a king, she had to work on the this uh, this sharp uh, this sharp land,
yeah,
this sharp what
Edgy.
you call the mountains means the responsibility of girls is very tough uh, when we look on the province of means even she looks like a queen. If you see normally from the if you don't see the beneath part means if you see the face, then you will see how happy this girl is means she had a good clothes, she looks like a queen. But if you see the deep, you will see she had to work on the very hard journey. So
Yeah, after understanding Saurabh's perspective, it's also, if you can say, girls go through a lot, and after looking at the beauty, and we think that they don't have to do anything for it, they are God gifted like that.
yeah, yeah,
yeah.
It,
yeah.
yeah, so
And
they have beauty from within, like that dialogue comes. But it happens with entrepreneurs also. Now we see that they have achieved so much, they have so much, but for that they have struggled and have done so many things, have seen so many hardships. So it goes with girls also. So it shows she's looking so gorgeous in her dress, in that, but she's walking a tough path, and
yeah,
on with grace, with gracefully she's walking. So
Yeah.
it looks beautiful. Yeah.
Every picture is just connected with girls.
Okay, most of modeling and stuff goes with girls only, most of the time. Oh ho
no,
ho ho. This is Inception thing. Yeah, it's going round, round, round to the top. Yeah, guys, can you hear me?
Yeah.
yes,
Are you gone deep in the image?
yeah, we are hypnotized.
Yeah. So, anybody who wants to go for this, wants to try.
It's showing our life.
Okay.
There no one we don't know where is the last point and where is the starting point.
Oh ho ho, so deep,
So, so
so
we
deep.
should just enjoy our life
Yeah.
and continue to move continue to move on the path which uh, which we are going to face and the god had created to. So we should yeah, if you start thinking about the past, you will not enjoy your your life. Means if you think when when I will get a job, then I will enjoy. Okay, when you get a job, then you think when I will get a home, my home building, then I will enjoy. Then suppose then you got a building, then you go to your home, then you think when I get a my own car, then I will. Means you can't enjoy your life if you if you not ready to enjoy your end. There's no any end point, so you have to continuously you to just enjoy your life because any time it's may end. So that's it.
Yeah, and it also looks like a spiral thing that the life is spiral. It goes on, going and on. There, it is has no end to it, or maybe it has an end. If we see at the top, look at bigger picture. One cross is there and straight line. Maybe
Yeah,
all we have to go is maybe have to die at the end of the day, but it's about living the life. What you have delivered. Have you changed the world for better? What you have done? You have around people. Have you? So the thing is, people would forget that what you said, what you did, but they will not forget how you made them feel. So it's like
yeah,
that only. How you spend quality time with them.
yeah, and it's also representing that at the at the cross means there's a lot of intersections of line. So it's represent your birth, and you will see this loop a spiral is being big, after one loop. This loop by
Hmm.
loop, it's becoming big. Uh, this the dot means when there is a cross line,
Hmm.
there it's showing your birth. Means after birth in your whole life, this whole loop is representing your life. And after means when you are birth, you have to just cross the small loop. But when you grow, the responsibility and the path journey become harder. Because you have to face more responsibility when you growing day by day. So it's start developing day by day.
Yeah, challenges.
Yeah, challenges means you have to the for covering the same loop, same one loop, you have to work hard. after uh, After you become adult, after you become uh, dad, after you become a grandfather means.
Hmm. Okay, so that's the thing now you have to overcome, so that you can to the next loop. Then you
Yeah,
have to overcome. This is like school only. School. Then at like
yeah,
10th you have to clear it. After that, parents say that after that your life will be sorted. After 12th your life would be sorted. That you have to do this only. And after
yeah,
that, college, job, house or car, then family, wife, then children, then pension, and that your future, and then you die. So yeah, that only.
Yeah, can you zoom on to the person standing there? It's
You
like
can
a
also zoom it. Oh
but it is
wow.
not clear.
he's clicking pictures.
Yeah, he's
Camera.
an
I was also
cameraman.
wondering that. Yes.
He has a camera and he's looking towards us only. what we
Yeah.
call that. Yeah.
He is telling what I am doing here and what story all these are creating about.
Yeah.
Actually, I think that it is like something, someone has created this illusion kind of architect, or I
Hmm.
think this is some museum kind of thing. And
Yeah,
I don't think
maybe.
it's what it's looking that is reality. I think
Yeah.
like it's
Oh.
like illusion. It
Nice,
could be
nice.
the path only that you know the whole spiral is not a path. I think the path is only on which the person is standing, and other is painting. I think so.
Yeah, yeah,
Yeah,
So
I
it's
think
like,
that's
it's
yeah, it's looks like when you look at life that, oh, this when this, and you walk in, oh, it shouldn't be, as I was
like if
stressing or tension on that, it is not
yeah,
that much hard as I was thinking to be.
life is like illusion.
Hmm.
yeah, yeah,
Yeah,
that's good.
Yeah, this was nice.
Mm.
because I think okay.
Now you can say
No,
because you
but
remember now. You can say,
नहीं हिंदी में बोल सकता हूँ
हाँ हाँ,
Mm.
बोलो।
कि मुझे लग रहा था कि वो के कॉर्नर का है इसमें एक तरफ से रास्ता बना हुआ है और तीन तरफ पेंटिंग्स बनी हुई है जिससे वो दिख रहा है कि वो स्पाइरल है और कुछ ऊपर जा रहा है लेकिन ऐसा
हम्म।
हुआ नहीं ऐसा मुझे लगा
अच्छा, कोई नहीं, होगा क्या पता, वो तो उधर जाके ही पता चलेगा जाके।
और
सो ओके।
इमेजिनेशन
हम्म। So it is, to be honest, it is looking so good, man.
या
The light and stuff in the background is black and with the shining thing. Lot of
द
colors, man.
द रिफ्लेक्शन ऑफ कीबोर्ड ऑन द
Yeah,
स्क्रीन
the screen also, reflection of screen, it's showing a wonderful contrast. So
ओके
what do you
आई
want to
ट्राई टू
speak on this?
एक्सप्लेन इट ओके हियर सम म्यूजिक
Yeah, truck horn from
या
Saurabh side.
Yeah. Actually, my home is near to the bypass.
Hmm.
दैट्स
So you will see, you will hear different music without, you have to not pay any money for that.
Hmm.
like
Free music.
their horn are too
Desi
long.
music. Honk. Honk. Okay, who
Okay,
wants to go on this?
okay, I want to try first.
Okay.
I think it's depicting you know, the technology and the internet and the media. They are like they have many colors. They are attracting us, and it's also like open mouth kind of thing.
Hmm.
So they are attracting us and telling us to come, come and use me, like
Oh.
because there are lots of colors and it also looks like a book, half opened book. So it also depicts that uh, this technology has too much information. We can get too much advantage from this, and yeah, that's all.
Hmm.
Mm.
Yeah, it looks like technology that from what we are looking at, it looks like so attractive and we want to use, but
Yeah,
beneath it, it will take our time, our energy, and after that we don't feel that much refreshed, or we feel tired, our eyes hurt. So whatever we see on this may be good, for maybe there are a lot of things that you can learn, but in real life there are something that you have to value: your family time, your maybe walking, or in spending time with yourself in nature. So with this we are fading from that, we are not connected to what, from where we have started or have come from.
Yeah, it's also artificial lights.
Yeah.
We should go to the natural things like
Hmm.
nature, lights of nature, colors of nature, and it is artificial. So it's also
And it's not having any benefit to our body or mind also. It also have repercussions on our body. We can see now people are having less, what do you call, attention span. They can't concentrate. They
yeah,
just want a dopamine hit because of short videos. They
yes,
want every time they want fun or anything. They can't sit to themselves just meditating or with themselves. So we can see the issues what is happening in real life.
Yeah, yeah. So in this picture, uh, we are just talking about the colors and the beautifulness of this laptop colors. But there may be some charging luck where the energy is coming from it, where from energy is coming into it in our life also, in our surrounding also. If you attracted by someone, if you are if you are making idol someone, if you are going to make idol someone, you just make him as an idol because of his outer appearance. Outer appearance means he is doing,
Mm-hmm.
if someone is good singer, means you are practicing for singing, so you make your idol as a Arjit Singh or any famous singer. So
Because of his
yeah,
lifestyle, what
because of
he's
his
doing.
lifestyles and his singing, his just actions of performing. But you should also know the energy source, means
Mm.
where he just learn all these things.
Skills.
So in this picture also, we there is a dark side of everything. Means
Mm.
in everyone's life there is a dark side where people don't want to see the main the but people should want to see the dark side. So
Good.
because if they know the dark side, if they know the back side, then they will get the motivation and they will get the way uh, that how a person can become great, how a person can become such lightful that this laptop is showing. Means how this laptop become so lightful, so beautiful. Where's the energy is coming from? So in our surrounding also, we should also get motivated not by the people's outer appearance, all the things which he had done, and energy sources which provides him energy to do the works and become such a great person.
Yeah, and with celebrities also now we look to their having fun. They
Yeah,
are going abroad, taking pictures. They have having great life. But to that level of success, they have worked there. They have been consistent and
yeah, they have to,
hardworking, working
yeah,
on themselves.
yeah, they have to do hard work for a
Mm.
single for a single dialogue. They have to uh, uh, they have to work on that for thousands of times.
Yeah, but also for the body also, na. So
Yeah,
their outer appearance on the body, they have to eat right. They have to exercise on themselves.
yeah,
They
yeah,
have to look good.
yeah,
Hmm. Ah, this image. I was not expecting that this would create so much of conversation on this. Okay, this is love you. Okay, what is written? Can anyone read? After that, something is going on. Love where you.
hashtag love, hashtag where are you, or
Okay, and next beneath it.
hashtag forever.
Okay,
Actually,
hashtag
something is
forever.
written from that side. like it's a screen. Something is written that side behind the
She is
behind the
in.
screen. Like I think there is written my love or
Love.
mm,
So, Saurabh, can you mute your mic?
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, the sound was not as appealing as it was sounding.
It's a tap water sound. Don't forget.
I don't think it was tap water as the
Okay,
sound
so
was going.
I have to start it again.
No, 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 no. It's okay.
Okay.
Okay, this is the image. Who wants to go with it?
Mm, I think you should go with.
I'm not getting any material to what to say. Prakash, do you want to go?
no, I am thinking and searching for some meaning. I am not getting points. I think depicting the social media kind of thing. Like we are always using hashtags. Means like our life is empty, but we are using hashtag love and hashtag something on social media. And the blue light also, I think it's depicting the technology.
Mm.
And yeah, it's depicting like her life is dark and but he see what yeah more yeah virtual kind of living virtual life, not real life.
Yeah. Prakash, your voice was breaking.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Your voice was break, bro.
Can you speak again?
Yeah, I
Ah,
always
yeah.
yeah. Is it clear now?
Yeah, it is better.
Okay, I was just saying that these brands are depicting the social media life, like virtual life,
Mm-hmm.
and the girl standing here is, you know, surrounded by that social media words like hashtag. He is using hashtag love and hashtag like thing, but she's very empty from inside, and she is not living her real life, but she is more involved in that virtual kind of life of the
Mm.
internet and social media.
Yeah, it's also looks like a media influencer or social influencer that she is so perfect and pretty. She looks like people are commenting on her, looking that maybe millions of followers she would having, but in real life maybe not that much friends,
Yeah,
but
yeah,
maybe feeling some emptiness beneath within her.
yeah, yeah.
Yeah,
That's good.
from outside it looks like a glamour life, but in within she's having lot of things
Don't
going on.
yeah.
And technology also now, as in technology we are moving into this, so people are most of the time looking to fill the void, something that missing in within, trying to search on the internet or that, but that answer that you are feeling, that could be only filled by yourself, not by anyone or any other person. So yeah, that only. Yeah, Saurabh, do you want to
Yeah,
go?
it's depicting like
Ha ha, go on, Prakash.
Yeah, it's depicting like we are surrounded by virtual things. And blue
Hmm.
lights also, you said that blue lights depicting the technology. We are surrounded and you know surrounded by technology
Hmm.
and the virtual life. Yeah, that's
Hmm.
Actually, the technology has enhanced at such a level that anyone create image of any type means as time during our grandmother or grandfather when they have to do a lot of things to make a good picture, but
Hmm.
now anyone can make any type of picture, sad, happy, beautiful, means any type, um, easily because of this technology. So this uh, this picture is showing the actual enhancement of the technology in our world, mm, in this period or in this what we can say, uh, during this day.
Hmm. Yeah, but earlier also it was there that we would our grandfathers and parents would value original photos, but now because of editing and that we can change. If person
yeah,
is sad, they can we make them happy, or we can infilly what we call
Yeah, but at that time
change.
they
Hmm.
can't write love or something. Uh,
Hmm.
in this at this time, there's a lot of technology. Means there are a lot of facilities and different facilities available. A cell phone or computers means we can edit.
Hmm.
Yeah, we can make a happy photo in a sad mode, or
Hmm.
we can make a sad photo in a happy mode.
Hmm. So we would not know what was originally happening.
Yeah.
Hmm. Yeah, okay, we should move to the next picture. In this, oh wow, so much
Why
colors.
everyone is girl, yaar, in this
So,
in
to
pictures?
whom you are interested? Do you want voice? Okay, comment
No,
or on
just
Prakash
everyone,
picture or on
just
mine picture. You are having glamour and everything, and you want that you want Suki roti.
no, no, no.
Okay, wow, yeah. This in this a lot of things are happening.
It's better to it's better to have a sukhi roti than just looking at the rasgulla.
Okay,
You
that was
can't
nice.
do that.
Yeah. Yeah, do you want to comment on this?
Mm,
Prakash, Saurabh, anyone?
I
Okay,
yeah,
Prakash.
I want to say
Hmm.
actually if we put then we can see hidden line like pointing towards girls. Like if you see the corner of the room, that all line is taking your eyes into
Your
girls.
voice is
Like
breaking.
these lines are, I think, again network problem.
Can you try again?
Hello.
Yeah,
yeah, yeah. You are
audible.
on.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yes.
Yes.
Okay. I was saying that there are two guidelines, like straight lines that point our eyes to
Hmm.
the subject, that is the girl.
Hmm.
So the photographer wants to emphasize that character in his photo, and yeah, the lightning is also important because there is a glass house behind, and there are lots of colorful glass through which the sunlight is coming and making very colorful reflection, not reflection, but very colorful environment.
Hmm.
And yeah, girl is in sunlight and she's looking so positive and uh, think summer season or something. Yeah, that's only I can.
Yeah, in this picture, lot of things are going on. There are a lot of beautiful colors. I think, oh, what a beautiful hair. If you see, I like this type of hair. It is very difficult. I think that how they make it, but the hair looks very good. She is wearing white dress, red shoes, and around her background lot of sunlight beautifully on her face expression. She is blessed or something, very relaxed on that enlightenment, I think, maybe. And after that you can say, in the picture that is different kinds of color, you can see the environment different. There is red, green, yellow, orange, black, original one. So it's artistic in somewhat sense, and it's looking very beautiful with sunlight reflection, everything.
Yeah,
And yeah, as on above her head there is chandelier or something, and behind there is something, uh, maybe a picture or what we say, some wonderful place that's showing.
yeah.
Yeah.
According to me, this girl is locked in this uh, house, glass house,
Hmm.
and have heard, as we have learned about the greenhouse effect. Do you know about it?
Yes, yes.
So there's a one property of glass that it's allow the sun rays to enter in it with what with heat, but it does not allow the heat of a room to goes outside. In
Mm-hmm.
uh, have you you know
Yes, yes, I
the
know.
same our what you our
Earth is getting
yeah,
hotter.
yeah, because of this reason, because our this
Ozone layer is
ozone
getting.
layer or atmosphere, there is a one hole in
Hmm.
ozone, and so UV radiation or all these radiation coming on our earth, and because of there is some pollutant which absorb the heat, but they fail to just reflect it back to the atmosphere. So our temperature is get increasing day by day. So that same thing, so these things represented by a glass house,
Hmm.
means in which sun rays come with the heat, but the heat inside the inside that the glass house can't go outside. The same thing happening in the picture also. The girls is locked in the glass house, and sun the radiations and the heat from the sun is coming, and the temperature of this glass room is increasing. So she want to throw his clothes, uh, sorry, and he also sweeping his he's also पोछना का क्या होता है भाई?
Yeah.
So so she also sweeping his sweet, and also want to just throw the photographer was very very bad man. His picture after 1 hour.
This was really funny story.
Yeah. I was thinking what a gorgeous photo, what very beautiful. But then Saurabh made it. Greenhouse effect is coming. How you connected? I don't know. She is feeling hot.
Actually, first when saw this picture, the same things come in our mind that our life is full of different colors, different uh, different situation means if you allow the problems to come from the different situation, you will enjoy it differently because there is different color. But every time when we put it in everything, it's become uh, too bored. So I
Hmm. Hmm.
don't think I was waiting for his opening clothes.
ठरके इंसान.
Yeah.
No, no.
Why
It was great. It was great.
Actually, I don't think that C is locked in because if you
Yeah,
see the
it looks
floor,
like Instagram model.
yeah,
this model? She
Yeah.
enters the this room because there is a one photographer also, no, who is clicking this
I
picture.
think I think from the front side it is open because when you see the shadow on the
Hmm.
ground, you can see the complete light. If it was
Yeah.
locked, it there will be also shadow.
But
I
according to picture, the sea is on the right side of the this room. So maybe there is some tree or that not allowing the sun rays to come and make us a shadow or anything.
Now
Anything may
let's not go technical on this.
yeah.
Maybe what is happening, we don't know. Okay, so we have touched the mark of one in the, okay, 1 hour 30 minutes. Do you want to continue or end?
I think it's enough for now.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay.
Excellent.
That was great.
Okay.
You know,
This went also good one.
yeah.
It is very fun exercise because to you cannot describe this a right answer or a wrong answer. Everybody has different perspective. Everybody goes in different direction. It is a very interesting activity, to be
Yeah,
Yeah,
honest.
yeah.
you
It's
are finding
it's
your own own point of view
Hmm.
uh, on anything.
yeah.
And you get to learn so many things, that how a person thinks. So as I know, got to know sort of things in a story way and makes different. Prakash makes it a different in photography's perspective, and what's going different maybe on a more psychology and on that point of view.
So this
Hmm.
this concludes that anything we can see it uh, the same thing can be seen by different people and
Hmm.
they can they can relate it with different things.
Hmm.
It
And that
also
makes it very interesting activity and a fun activity.
Yeah, actually, the first time when when I was doing this
Hmm.
this type of activities.
Hmm.
So thank you, Ronak. For,
Yeah, thank you. Okay, so now what has happened is, so whenever I join some meeting now, so I feel, are don't do this. This is very boring. Do something interesting or like that,
yeah,
because we have an expectation. We are doing this, so we want this would be a very going interesting. But in this, what do you think? Our economy will go in 5 years like that. So at starting only you get, array not that way we want to go.
yeah.
and
So
So
yeah,
it
and the
hmm.
topic is also changing because picture is
Yeah,
changing.
so you yeah,
uh,
so you can't prepare on this.
yeah,
yeah, yeah,
So you
yeah,
know that, oh, this happens after this happens. So you can't prepare on this. It is spontaneous. If it comes, and you will never know what will come next.
yeah.
Hmm.
Okay.
good for creativity.
Yeah. Imagination also.
Yeah,
Yeah,
it's your creativity, Ronak.
Hmm. Ah, same.
Okay.
Okay, thank you, Prakash. Thank you, Saurabh, for coming. It has been a great session. Thank you. I hope you also enjoyed
Yeah,
the
yeah.
session, as I have also so much
thanks
enjoyed
to
it.
you both guys.
Yeah.
Thanks, bro. Bye.
Bye bye. Take care.